Hi, I'm Mariah, and I'm here to show you one of the many venue spaces we have here at the Summit Bechtel Reserve. Behind me is the Rex W. Tillerson Leadership Center. Let me show you around. The Leadership Center can accommodate up to 500 guests with 6 individual classrooms and 1 leadership hall. Let's go check it out. The Leadership Hall includes seating for up to 150 participants. It is also equipped with state-of-the-art AV equipment and a catering kitchen. Down the hall, we have one of our 6 individual classrooms. Each classroom includes seating for up to 50 participants. It also includes standard classroom equipment and a monitor. There's still a little bit more to see, so let's go check it out. The Tillerson Leadership Center is great for conferences, meetings, various types of trainings, and can accommodate groups both large and small. One of my favorite parts about the Tillerson Leadership Center is the outdoor covered patio. I'm going to take you out there now. This space is great for breakout sessions, smaller events, or just being able to enjoy the outdoor space. Thanks again for joining me on the venue tour of the Rex W. Tillerson Leadership Center. Be sure to check out our other venue spaces. Until next time.